Adding a free shipping bar on Shopify is an excellent way to incentivize customers to spend more and increase average order value. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the steps to add a free shipping bar on your Shopify store. First, you need to go to the Shopify App Store and search for free shipping bar apps. There are many apps available that offer this feature. Some popular ones include Free Shipping Bar and Shipping Bar. Choose an app that fits your needs and install it on your store. Once the app is installed, go to the app settings and configure the free shipping bar. You will need to set the minimum order amount required for free shipping and the message that will be displayed on the bar. You can also customize the appearance of the bar to match your store's theme. Next, you need to set up the free shipping rate in your Shopify shipping settings. Go to Settings, Shipping, and then add a new shipping rate. Choose free shipping as the rate type and set the minimum order amount to match the amount you set in the app. After setting up the free shipping rate, go back to the app settings and configure the bar to display the free shipping message. You can set the bar to display at the top or bottom of the page. And you can also set it to display on specific pages such as the home page or product pages. To test the free shipping bar, go to your store's front end and add some products to the cart. As you approach the minimum order amount required for free shipping, the bar should update and display the free shipping message. Once you reach the minimum order amount, the bar should disappear and free shipping should be applied to the order. Best practices for using a free shipping bar include setting a realistic minimum order amount, customizing the appearance of the bar to match your store's theme, and testing the bar to ensure it is working correctly. You should also monitor the performance of the bar and adjust the minimum order amount as needed to maximize its effectiveness. By following these steps and best practices, you can add a free shipping bar to your Shopify store and start incentivizing customers to spend more. This can lead to increased average order value and revenue for your store.